Okay, so we've learned kung paano sila nag-prepare for their roles, ano may roles nila. Ngayon naman, medyo napahapyawan nyo na to kanina. What was your go-to workout when preparing for the role? This is coming from Joem Matrazo of Davao Digital Creators. At yung kanina nating question, that's from Alan Sancor of Stars Photog. Okay, so dito po tayo. Go-to workout!
Wala nang ganun. Diretso na taping. Doon na yung workout. Sa cardio na rin.
Actually.
Cardio na rin eh. Pero yun siguro, mas more on cardio. Kasi takbo ka ng takbo eh. Sa eksena. So, para sa akin. Sa ewan ko sa kanila.
Sa akin, basketball. Kasi it's physically demanding and yun nga, endurance. Kailangan mag-build ng endurance. Kasi sobrang hirap ng mga action scenes na ginagawa namin.
Bilang bunso, kailangan talaga. Yes. Who else would like to share yung mga go-to workout nila for this project? Yes, Kai?
I think along with the endurance training, because we also underwent a lot of endurance training with Sir Benj, Sir Patch, and Action 360. I personally also did a lot of strength training kasi for a lot of the scenes that we shoot, normally naka-gear kami. So it really, naka-gear kami, yung mabibigat yung mga barel. So I wanted to also put focus on that para for lengths of time we're able to hold up. So, yeah.
And that's true kasi mabigat talaga yung mga dinadala nyo, especially the military, right?
Nakita rin namin sa trailer, ikaw din yung option, may binel ka!
Magaan yan? Isang kamay lang yun?
Grabe yun!
No, but it's true. Compound liftings, a lot of that will be perfect for the role. Galing. Anyone else want to answer that one? Specific workouts?
Aside from like martial arts and tactical training, which actually kailangan talaga namin yun for the characters. I think a lot of cardio, strength training, but during our off days, more than anything, we play basketball. Kasi it also builds camaraderie within the group. Aside from the staff and the crew, lahat kami nagba-basketball. So it builds a different rapport for the whole group, aside from just individual conditioning.
Miss Des, bakit hindi po natin i-livestream yun? Nagpa-basketball po pala sila. Ang gagwapo naman ng mga nagpa-basketball. Diba? Oo. Parang gusto ko panoorin yun.
Mga footage yan, snippets lang.
Oo. As a fan, gusto ko panoorin. Ay, meron po. Pag day off. Oo. So, hindi part ng work. Oo. Now, speaking of basketball, Daniel Padilla, naka-7 Star Magic All-Star Game. So, nagpa-basketball ka na ba? What's your go-to workout, DJ?
Yeah, I played a lot of golf para
Parang sabi yung build-up ko sa basketball
Hindi alam yung tao.
Ganun din, Muay Thai and basketball. Yeah.
Muay Thai and basketball. Okay, thank you. May gusto pa po bang mag-add? Maris, parang may gusto kang i-add?
Aside from muscle building, I needed to gain more para maka-keep up sa mga gagawin.
Oh, sarap naman ng ganung problem. Kailangan mo mag-gain. Oh.
So, kumain lang ako.
Ay, ang saya.
Order lang ako ng order sa mga lock-in namin.
O, diba? Ang tanong ko, go to workout, hihiritan tayo ng kumain po ako.
Part-time training yan eh.
Yeah. Protein. Pero din ako nag-extra effort. So, yun yung
Sana all. Yes, but you look terrific. Kita naman namin yung pinaghirapan mo, Maris.
Thank you.
Okay, now, let's go to our next question. Ito po, I think, tanong ng lahat. And this is for Direk Lester and Miss Des. After seeing that trailer, na by the way, yun ang world premiere. First time din po mapanood ng cast yun. So, sabay-sabay natin napanood yun for the first time. So, ito po ang tanong. This is from Chad Rosete of Manila Feed. Sa bigat po ng casting plus bonggang location, gaano kalaki ang production at budget ng series na ito? And share with us your experience. Direct, this is for you. Directing Daniel, Richard, and Maris. Gaano kahirap for you? Sabi naman yung gaano kahirap. Pero ito muna tayo sa budget. Yes, gaano po kalaki?
We have enough, but di ba laki nung show? But with the help of everyone here, lahat sila talaga cooperative, team players, di ba? Hindi kami nahihirapan. So, maximize namin yung taping hours namin, nagagawa namin yung dapat namin gawin. because everybody is cooperative. Malaking bagay yun. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Ang professional. Siyempre, hindi naman natin masasagot yung actual figure. But Miss Des, would you say, siyempre, you're the business unit head of Star Creators. Would you say this is one of the series na may one of the biggest budgets po sa ating history? Kasi nakita natin yung trailer, grabe. Opo.
Tama lang, pero meron kaming way to do things. Kaya ganyan siya kalaki, pero okay naman yung budget.
Oh, wow.
So yung answer niya, okay lang yung budget.
Yes.
Sometimes there's times na kailangan mag-save din. Save on expenses. Alam natin yan.
Tinalinuhan po ng Star Creatives to. Kita nyo, di ba? Ang laki ng budget, pero tinalinuhan natin yan. Yes. Thank you very much. Yes! Yeah.
Ako po, sa tagal ko na sa showbiz, ito yung pinakamalaking nagawa ko na project. Hindi talaga. Kasi, I mean, the locations, we shot in Lido, Italy, and grabe yung scenes and boats and yung mga sabugan and all the effects. Sobrang laking, aside from the cast. So, sa akin, personally, this is the biggest series na I've made.
We felt it nga po dun sa trailer. May payate pa bigla, mga ganun. Grabe talaga. Okay, Derek Lester, would you like to add to that?
When it comes to budget, I may say we are very fortunate with the support of ABS-CBN. Hindi naman siya sobrang laki, but it's enough na pinagkakasya. But the biggest part of it is we have the support of all the cast and the crew that we are very efficient. I think that's the key there. It's very efficient, meaning when the call time is 8 a.m. at 9 we are grinding already, and then sasagad kami until 9 we reach. We are very efficient with the help of and the cooperation of the crew. We wrap after 12 hours. We go home. We are in our hotel rooms after in 30 minutes time. That's something very different. And then dahil yan sa professionalism ng buong crew at buong cast at lahat ng producers. And then one thing that is different, if you ask me kung gaano kahirap, actually, all of these guys made my job very easy because they are really the best in what they do.
Well said, Greg Lester. Okay, we're throwing to our next question, which is, okay, Daniel. What was it like working on a genre hardcore action that's different than your signature rom-com and romantic drama? What was the most challenging and most rewarding part? And this is from Natalie Tomada ng Philippine Star.
Nakapag-warm up naman na kami dati ni Derek Lester sa Lalo na Sangre. Diba, nakasubok na ng konting action doon. And yeah, siyempre it's very different. Pero iba rin to. Ito kasing action talaga. Magsimula yung araw mo, adrenaline rush na yun hanggang gabi. So, pagkadating mo sa hotel mo, very fulfilling din. Diba? Kasi may mga stunts din na hindi matatali. Pero pag nagawa namin yun, it's very fulfilling. So yeah, it's very different. Siyempre, kahit paano it's still very new for me. Pero, masaya. Parang matagal-tagal ko rin gagawin to.
That's pretty good answer kasi ngayon nakikita din yung versatility. I remember working with Daniel in Lalo na Sangre, but this one, Incognito, is a different level. So, good job.
Thank you very much. And now let's go to our next question for Richard Gutierrez. Hi, Richard. Okay, this is about the Iron Heart naman. Okay, so this is coming from Jay of Certified Kapamilya. Yung previous project mo na The Iron Heart was a huge success. Palakpakan po natin. Yes. So the question is, may pressure ka bang nararamdaman na dapat matapatan o mahigitan pa ang naging tagumpay ng The Iron Heart?
There's always pressure. And if you want to succeed in this industry, you have to shine with that pressure. Diba? Pressure is always part of it. But there's a saying, you're only as good as your last project. But this time around, I'm very thankful that I'm surrounded by a great group of artists, a great group of creatives. And I think we're gonna push the boundaries again with this one. We're gonna elevate the action once again with this one. And this time around, unsung kami. You know, hindi lang ako may pressure. Medyo napapasa ko sa amin yung pressure. Diba? So, nag-dissipate yung pressure, which is actually a better feeling. We're working as a team, and you know, the pressure is as a team. But we enjoy that pressure, and you know, we have no choice but to shine with that pressure.
Speaking of pressure, Richard, this one goes out to Daniel Padilla. As someone who comes from a family of action stars, kumusta ang pressure that you're fully embracing action? And that is from Natalie Tomado from Philippine Star.
Hindi, wala naman silang binibigay na pressure sa akin. So, wala rin naman akong nararamdaman na kaba o ano na kung ano dahil ko alam eh. I'm just doing my best, you know. So, anong kalabasan nun, edi, that's it, you know. Kung ano man, basta I'm doing my best and I'm proud sa mga nagagawa naming lahat as a group. Sa trailer pa lang, I'm excited. Parang excited na ako pakita sa airpod ko to. Parang paano siya sa
I like that answer. You know, it's a good answer because like you know, in something like this, you gotta focus on yourself. You don't worry about anyone else. So focus on yourself. You are the one and only Daniel Padilla, right?
Iba-iba naman ang timpla namin, ano. I mean, magaling si Tito Robby, mahusay. Siyempre, di ba? Ang tatay ko nandun din, ang mga tito ko, pero iba-iba rin kami ng timpla. Tingnan natin ko na naman ang may offer ko. So, yun lang.
Awesome.
Imbes na pressure, may pride. Yung proud siyang, excited siyang ipakita na sa tatay niya, pero imbes na napapressure siya, parang excited siya na ipakita. So that's always good news, at excited na rin tayong lahat